For students, saving money is a challenge. With tuitions, payments, rents, expenses, and more making up their budget, it can be hard to find ways to make ends meet each month. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to make sure your finances remain stable as you pursue your studies. In this video, we will break down a few tips for how students should approach saving money in college, along with some ideas of where to find extra funds if needed. Watch the video till the end for creative solutions for the students who want financial security. Saving money as a student can be a difficult task to accomplish, especially if you're living on a tight budget. However, with a little bit of planning and some creative thinking, it is possible to save money while in school. Here are some tips to help you save money as a student. Number 1, make a budget and stick to it. It's important to have an idea of where your money is going so you don't overspend. Take the time to figure out what expenses you can cut out of your budget and set financial goals for yourself that you can work towards achieving. Number 2, take advantage of student discounts whenever possible. Many businesses offer special discounts or deals just for students, so make sure to look around when making purchases or attend events such as amusement park, movie theater, museum, and more. Number 3, cut back on eating out or buying snacks from convenience stores. It may be tempting to grab something quick when you don't want to cook or are short on time between classes, but these expenses can add up quickly and reduce the amount of money that could be saved for other purposes such as textbooks or rent payments. Instead, try packing meals from home or purchasing groceries in bulk, which will last longer than individual snack items typically found in stores. Number 4, utilize campus resources whenever available. Most universities have libraries that provide access to materials such as books and articles at no cost. They also may offer services such as printing documents at discounted rates compared to commercial printing companies off campus. Additionally, many schools host free events such as concerts and lectures, which provide entertainment without having to pay an admission fee. Number 5, develop healthy financial habits while young because they will carry into adulthood once schooling is complete. Start developing good credit early by paying bills on time and being mindful about spending decisions so that future borrowing costs won't be impacted by negative records left behind during university years. All in all, there are many ways to save money as a student. It might be difficult at first, but it's definitely doable with a bit of effort and creativity. So don't be discouraged. Start looking for ways to cut back on your spending today, and you'll be well on your own to financial freedom tomorrow.